we must shut down Lagos. If not 1 month, 2 weeks, if not 2 weeks, 1 week, if not 1 week, 3 days. Ka I now see the Boda. Can shut go down?
Yes.
But 1 week, 2 weeks.
Yes, what to accord? No going back.
On a only when it's Christmas, I understand December, but not empty. I don't think Anata Lagos are busy. Those lab, shop, you need not busy. Over the Bagadiva, and not the one sign. Kabusiji, I am my name. We will stop this. This will stop.
Period.
This the securities. Oh, I invite. I was securities in Anambra. IPOBs. We will invite them.
Period. Hey.
That is part of what we can be doing for them. We secure them jobs. None of IPOBs have not. They have no jobs. Those IPOBs, we all of them will protect all our shops, and we have to pay them. We have to mobilize for that. We have to do that. We must have our own security, so that they will stop attacking us in the midnight, in the morning, in the afternoon. They will stop attacking us in emergency.
Yes.
When they discover that we have our own securities, before they will come, it will take time. They will know that we have our own men there. I'm not saying a single word to be hiding. I don't hide my words. Let my words go viral. And part of this thing that Igbo must get their right and get stand in Lagos State. Ndigbo, we are not troublemakers. We don't fight them. We never fight Yorubas. Those two people are Yorubas. When we decided to vote where you want to vote, you vote. You cannot force someone to vote where you don't want to vote. You cannot force yourself to be a leader. When you want to be a leader, the communities, the entire town, the entire state will bring you out and say, come and lead us. When you are forcing yourself to lead, that means you have a skeleton in your cupboard. So,
good.
I'm not a party to collect money anytime from anybody. I'm a party to become one Nigeria and let Igbo come to stay in Lagos. Any part of Nigeria, Igbo must be there.
Yes.
He said. Igbos have come to stay in Lagos.
Otu akọọdị. Adịghị eme agbagha. Igwe!